Hi friends, welcome back to Abhinav Arts and Craft channel. Today I am going to show you origami leaf. For doing this you need some glue, one square paper, a small paper straw like thing made with paper. Then this is the model, and you need some scissors, a pair of scissors. Now turn it to the right side and fold it into half like this. And now cut from here to here, see, just like this diagonally. See, now I have cut it like this diagonally. It has become like a triangle. Now you need to fan fold this paper, see, just like this. See, first you need to fold it like this and turn it back side and fold it like this and fold it back side again like this. Like that you need to do it again and again till the end of the paper. And like this you need to do it till the edge, see, like this. And one more, see, I have done till the edge. See, now I have done like this, fan fold. Now you need to just fold it like this. See, you need to fold it into half, in the half, see, like this. It should come like a leaf, see, and fold it. See, you need, it should come like this. You need to stick these two like this. Add some glue. See, you need to just spread it and stick these two together, and it will come like a leaf. And now turn it backward and keep this straw like this inside, and it should come out. And again insert this like inside like this, and it should be like this. See, just insert it, and it should be string, see. And now origami leaf is ready. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.